Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times Design Team project. And today I am focusing on Cute Card Pocket Add-ons. So I'll be using this set, just the tag parts. And I am using the Let It Snow paper. I'm using this gray one here. Sweet Candy Cane dies, I'm using this one here along with its add-on. Mr. Snowman, I'm using that banner. I'm using the Holly Plate dies. She recently got these back in stock. I was so glad. And then also from the special delivery, I'm using this Merry Christmas stamp set. And then I also pulled out some of her bows, and I'm using this one. I think it's called the Pretty Bow Die, but I'm not definite, but I'll have it go across the screen right here so that you can see the name of this bow die, and it's the medium one if I'm not mistaken, but like I said, it'll go across the screen. And here goes this adorable little tag that I made. Love how it turned out. Let me show you that a little bit more close. Hopefully you can see everything. Got a lot of shine on there because I did use mirror cardstock along with that. There was that Merry Christmas on the banner. I did heat emboss that with some white heat emboss powder there. And then I also added some bells on there. It just turned out so pretty. And then there goes that candy cane. I did use the red foil on there, and along with that Holly Plate. It is just so pretty. And then I like this paper as well. And then I did finish off the back side there. Looks really cute. That way you can fill out the tag there or use it as an ornament on your Christmas tree. So really, really like how that turns out. So that's all I have for you. Make sure you use the links down below if you'd like to head over to my Creative Times page or to her store. If you'd like to purchase something from her store, you may use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase, or on release weekends it's 15% off along with any of the other designers. And so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.